Good morning, children. Good morning, my lovely grade one children, cutie pies. You are looking so nice and cute, right? How are you all? How are you all? How are you all feeling today? Are you all feeling healthy, happy? Yes, you all are happy. It's a new day, right? It's the second day of week 5. It is week 5 and day 2, right? Correct. We are going to learn something in literacy. It's your literacy period. Correct. All right. Now, can you tell me something, children, that what did we do yesterday? What was the topic that we have done yesterday? Can any one of you recall that? Yes, that was about I like. Correct. Very good. It was about something telling the topic was I like. And what is actually there? What was in the topic? What was in that unit that we did? We did about different, yes, we did about some, we learned about different types of weather. Correct. There was some, the haily weather, the snowy weather, windy. Someone said that I like windy weather. Someone said that I like rainy weather. Some said that I like sunny weather, right? So that was about weather that we have done, that we did yesterday. I showed you a presentation, remember, in which I've shown you different types of weather in the pictures. Remember that? Correct. Now today, what we are going to do is we are going to learn about the weather words. There are some words that tells you about that weather. Can you think about any word that comes in your mind that tells you about weather? Yes? Can you think about that? Okay. I'll write it down in my on my whiteboard so that it's clear to you all. Just think about some weather words and I'm going to write it down here. Okay? Let's start. Okay. Now tell me some word that tells that describes any kind of that you know is the weather word. Come on. All right, you can say windy. Very good. Okay. Cloudy. Very good. Any other? Stormy. Very good. Sunny. Very good. Any other weather? Like you can say a weather word that you know already. Rainy. Correct. Snowy. Correct. Very good. Wow, I'm so happy for you. Windy, cloudy, stormy, sunny, rainy. Wow, that's great job. I'm so happy for my class. At least you know some words that describes the weather, right? Now I'm going to show you a picture and you have to look at the picture very carefully and see what that picture tells you. What is that picture about actually? Okay, ready? All right, there you go. Can you see this picture here? Now this is about learning weather. Again, it tells you about the weather. But what these pictures actually, what they have over here? You can say it says sun or sunny, cloud or cloudy, partly cloudy, rain or rainy, snow or snowy, sun and rain, sleeting, then hail, hailing, lightning, windy, storm, stormy. What are they actually? These are called the symbols. What are they? These are the symbols, weather symbols. We call them weather symbols. Now, why do we have these symbols actually? Why do we have these symbols? We have these symbols so that if anyone, like I have also discussed this yesterday with you, that if anyone have any wanted to find out about the weather, they can just check out in the newspaper on the television, anywhere in the net or anything, and over there they will find the weather symbols. They will describe the weather by showing the symbols. If there are the symbols of cloud, only clouds, so it shows that the weather will be cloudy. Okay, and if there is only a sun, it shows that the weather would be sunny. Okay, so these symbols help us to know what type of weather it is going to be or what type of weather it was. Okay, so it is very, very, very important for us to remember these symbols. They are very easy. You can easily see the symbol and you can easily tell what type of weather it would be. Okay, so today what we are going to learn about the different weather words. And what are weather words? Can you see here on my whiteboard? I have pasted some words here. It is snowy, sunny, rainy, cloudy, and windy. These are the weather words. Like you have also told me just now, snowy, cloudy, windy. These are the different weather words. This is, you can say, snowy. That means the weather is snowy. Correct. Now, this you can say is sunny. The weather would be sunny. It can be sunny as well, right? Okay. Now let's move on. This is rainy. It says that the weather might be rainy. This says cloudy, that the weather might be cloudy also. It could be cloudy as well. And this one says windy. It might be windy. Okay. So these were the different types of weather words. Now, can you tell me what is your favorite weather? What is the weather that you like a lot? That is your favorite. Do you like rainy weather? Wow, that's great. What happens in rainy weather? It rains and you feel very good. You feel good if you go out in rain, you take a shower, you stand there and you make yourself wet. Yes? Okay, that's great. What about other weathers? Which other weather are there? You can say snowy weather. Do you like snowfall? Have you seen snowfall actually? You have seen? Wow, how does it feel like? Feels so nice, so good. Everything is white, right? The snow when there is snowfall, you go out, you just enjoy that snowy weather, right? The trees are covered with snow, mountains are covered with snow, the roads, the floor, everything when it covers with snow. But sometimes snowfall is dangerous also. Yes, when the snowfall has already happened, so the snow is going to become ice. And in that ice, if you go there, you might fall, you might slip. Same goes for the cars. If you drive cars in the ice, the cars might slip because of the ice, right? So you should have good tires for that, right? So there are different types of weather. They have advantages also. They have disadvantages also, right? Like you said, you like rainy weather. It's good if you go out and enjoy the rainy weather. But sometimes when it rains heavily, you might be in a day and you might have the flood because of that rain. So it might be flooding over because of that rain. So again, it is dangerous for you. Sometimes it is dangerous for you to travel during the rain. When it is very heavily raining, it becomes dangerous for you. Yes. So again, it has its advantages and it has some disadvantages. Same goes for sunny weather. What happens in the sunny weather? When you are, when it's winter time and you pray for the sunlight, right? What happens? You go outside in your gardens, you sit, you have tea, you have over snacks over there, you enjoy that weather, right? But what happens when the sun is very, very hot, when it is in the summertime and you have to bright sunlight and you go outside, what happens then? You will not feel comfortable. You will feel, oh my God, what is this sun? I don't want this sun, right? Because you will feel hot. And same goes for the people who work outside. They will feel very hot and they might get sick. Yes, they might have some problems. So again, sunny weather has some advantages and it has some disadvantages. Now, again, what happens in the cloudy weather? Cloudy weather, you feel so nice. Clouds are there, right? You go out and you feel better. But but what happens when it is cloudy weather and it's summertime? Sometimes it happens, especially in Lahore, Sambat, it's very suffocated. Yes, it's very suffocated because of those clouds. It is so hot. You don't get air because of clouds there is no wind, so you feel suffocated, you don't feel good. So again, it has some advantages and it has some disadvantages. Now, this was about snowy, rainy, sunny, cloudy. And what about another weather? That is windy. Again, you feel good when it is windy, right? If you go outside, you wear short sleeves, shorts, and slippers during summertime. Yes, but what happens when the windy weather is in winter times? You feel so cold. You don't feel like going outside, right? You have to wear so many clothes, your cap, everything, your gloves, because it's very cold outside. Again, it has advantages, it has disadvantages, but this is all nature. It is made by God, right? So we have to live with all these types of weather. We have to live with all these types of situations because we are humans. We have to adjust ourselves, right? Okay, so that means that you know what are the different symbols. Now I'm going to show you some flashcards in which the symbols are drawn. Now which symbol do you think is this? It's very easy. It's the sunny weather. Correct. It's sunny. See, it is sunny weather. All right. Great job. Now, which symbol is this? It's rainy. Wow, cool. My class knows everything. That's so nice. You understood. You have grasped the idea what the teacher is telling you. It is rainy weather. All right. Now what is this? Which symbol is this? It's windy. Wow, great job. It's windy, right? Correct. Okay. Now which symbol is this? Cloudy. Correct. It is cloudy. Last one. Which symbol is this? It's snowing. Wow, great. So these were all the weather symbols with weather words, cloudy, windy, sunny. Now, you are going to draw any one symbol in your notebook and write its name and what happens in that. Okay? Just one line answer, but it should be in a complete sentence. I'm going to give you 3 minutes time. You do your work. 1, 2, 3. Time starts now. Time is up. Time is up. Okay. Now you tell me, Alia, which symbol have you drawn? That is sunny. Wow, great. And what have you written? I enjoy playing outside in sunny weather. During which season? During winter season. Great, good. Okay. Yes, Amir, which symbol have you drawn? Rainy. Wow, that is rain. Wow. And what have you written? I enjoy playing in the rain. Very good. That's good. Great job. Okay. Now, next is Neha. What have you written? Which symbol have you drawn? Snowy. Wow. And what have you written? Like, read out your sentence. I enjoy making snowman in snowy weather. Wow. I am so happy for my task. Very, very good, children. It means that you have understood the topic. You have grasped the idea. Now you know the weather words. Yes. You know the weather symbols. Yes. Good. I'm so happy for you all. Great job. Now do your homework, which I'll be posting on portal. Okay, and remember to watch Edward videos, right? There are loads of videos on different topics. Okay, all right, children, see you in your science lesson. Bye bye.